Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Qnt update, Quant update, and this is a network, kind of a good project. It has been going down in a downtrend, but we really got to do the technical analysis for this one. So all I'm going to do is dive in on the daily time frame, and so far you're looking amazing on the daily here to probably come up to $62 right now, because you're really passing all the negative barriers right now. So what I'm going to do is tell you what I have in store. And what I do see for the coin itself is that you really went up and you've broken out of the 10 and the 20 EMA ever since the bearish cross right over here back in 11 April 2022. That's the bearish cross. You've been under the 10 and the 20 EMA for quite a long time here. So you can already see that 10 and the 20 are about to make a cross. You've actually crossed the 10, came for the retest, and you're holding this level really good. So big stop loss down here at the $52.2. If you do come down to $52.2, I'm not going to be supporting the trade to the upside. So the view right now is to up here to the 55 EMA, and that's going to be 69.9, especially with Bitcoin looking very good. With Bitcoin trying to go to $25,000, that will be incredible to push Qnt to the upside. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.